Getting annoyed with the database. Data module DLL error causing your game to hang. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's fix the link between your engine and your system architecture. Before we begin our database data module troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Database Data module, commonly used within the EA app or Origin client to maintain entitlement mappings, license validation, and achievement state tracking. If missing, the launcher may fail to verify ownership or synchronize progression data for titles like Battlefield or The Sims, often reporting that the game could not be initialized. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Dbdataea is commonly utilized in game graphics and audio processing routines. To resolve the error, install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX-related DLLs, then update your GPU drivers to ensure full OpenCL and OpenGL support. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Database Data module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like Database Data module DLL. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes Database Data module-related documentation. If Database Data module is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.